Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Venmo application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in venmo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Venmo website. Now, right from the home page, in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be asked to enter your email address, your phone number or your username. Just type in whichever one of these credentials you wish to use and then tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password within the password box and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you cannot remember your credentials, you can click on the forgot password button to get more assistance with your login. And now you will be logged into your account right away with Venmo. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.